Alright guys, so, welcome back to another video. Now today, I have something serious. So, I have a prison. Now don't ask why I have a charge in my hand, I'll explain that here in a minute. But, okay, so, I have this jail of some sort, or prison. And, but here's the catch. I filled it up with a crap ton of explosives. So, you guys are going to see something epic. So, I'm going to show you that. So, in 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? I didn't go off. Well, guys, that didn't go according to plan, but it went pretty well. Never mind. Did not go as expected. I thought it was going to destroy the whole thing. This was just an experiment, really. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. And I'll talk to you all later.